Let us take next page, page number 6, that is third one, accept differences. Democracy is the only system of government which establishes unity in diversity by accepting what? Diversities. Diversities means differences. And in democracy we accept that. There is no discrimination. उसमें कोई भी क्या नहीं है? Discrimination. भेदभाव on the basis of caste, color, religion, sex or languages, etc. Differences, if any, between the majority or minority, between the government and the oppositions are settled what? Peacefully. Anything problem is there, that is peacefully. That is why democracy has become very popular in the modern world. Modern world, everywhere people are favoring democracy. Promote human dignity. In democracy, rights and liberties of people are safeguarded. So, democracy promotes human dignity by providing rights and duties to people as well as providing conditional to defend them. People are not subject of a ruler, they are ruler themselves. We are ruler. We only rule the country because democracy people only. It is for the people, by the people. Yes, so every citizen can develop his personality to the fullest extent. Democracy promotes human dignity by protecting maximum interest of maximum people. In democracy, government is looking after the profit or we can say interest of people. The challenges of democracy. There are many challenges to a democratic country like India. For example, unemployment is there, corruption is there, price rise is there, poverty is there, illiteracy is there, pollution is there, crime is there, etc. But there are three basic challenges to democracy. They are as follows. So first point which we are going to see the challenges of democracy. First is foundational challenges. Now, in many countries of the world, there are different forms of government. For example, monarchy, king's rule, dictatorship, that is what? One person ruling, and military rule. But in present time, these countries are democratic. Now it has become democratic everywhere. They have been struggling for existence of democracy because of challenges for non-democratic factors and military. Next is challenges of expansion. Now there is a challenge of expansion to democracy in different part of country and different social group. There is a need to give more powers to the local government, women, SC, ST and OBC. They are all the people where the government is giving them more what? Chances in the work, in any places. Deepening of democracy. India is a democratic country, but there is a need of deepening of democracy. It means roots. Democracy's roots should go more and more deeper. The people should realize their expectations of democracy. Democracy ke expectations people should know. Everybody should participate in a democratic country. Everyone should say that this is my country, this is democratic country and I have the right. Conclusion, the word democracy means people's power. You must know. If anyone will ask you what is democracy, democracy means people's power. Nowadays, democracy has been becoming a global, everywhere in the world, phenomena as it is the only form of government which work for the welfare of the people, bhalai. लोगों के भलाई के लिए. Democracy originated in the Greek city of Athens. It was a system of direct democracy. Democracy is better than any form of government. Democracy is the most popular system due to its unique features. It has many unique features. So democracy started everywhere in the world. People started accepting the democracy. I hope you understood the lesson. And read the lesson. Main is you have to read the lesson. You have to listen to the video what I am sending. And then after reading the lesson, then you write your PDF what I am sending, question answers, new words and all. Keep your copies completed. I hope you understood the lesson. The democracy. Lesson number 1. So be ready with your copies. Complete your copy correction. And whenever the date will be there, then you have to give this thing copies. Thank you everyone. Have a good day.